Have you ever wondered how some people seem to absorb information at lightning speed? Well, the secret lies in the power of the human mind and the techniques they use. So sit back and get ready to unlock the mysteries of rapid learning with these 10 mind-bending tricks. Point 1. The power of visualization. Imagine a scenario where you're learning about the solar system. Instead of reading about it, picture it in your mind. You're on a spaceship, traveling from planet to planet. This technique taps into our brain's potent imagery processing power, making learning faster and more enjoyable. Point 2. The chunking method. This technique involves dividing large pieces of information into smaller, manageable chunks. It's like eating an elephant one bite at a time. It's easier for our brains to digest and recall smaller bits of data. Point 3. The Feynman technique. Named after the brilliant physicist Richard Feynman, this method involves explaining a concept in simple terms. If you can't explain it simply, you don't understand it well enough. This technique helps you identify gaps in your understanding. Point 4. Active recall. This technique involves actively trying to remember information from memory rather than rereading or highlighting. It strengthens neural connections, making recall faster and more accurate. Point 5. Interleaved practice. Instead of focusing on one topic at a time, mix up your study sessions. This technique keeps your brain on its toes and enhances its ability to transfer skills and knowledge from one context to another. Point 6. Use of mnemonics. Mnemonics are memory aids that use visual imagery, acronyms, or rhymes. They provide a fun and creative way to remember complex information. Point 7. The Pomodoro technique. This method involves studying in timed intervals, usually 25 minutes, followed by a 5-minute break. This technique helps maintain focus and prevent mental fatigue. Point 8. Self-quizzing. Test yourself regularly. This technique not only assesses your understanding but also improves long-term memory retention. Point 9. Leverage on the spacing effect. Instead of cramming, spread out your study sessions over time. This technique takes advantage of the brain's ability to consolidate and retain information better when learned over extended periods. Point 10. Mind mapping. Create a visual representation of the information. This technique helps organize and connect different pieces of data, making it easier to understand and recall. So, there you have it, 10 mind tricks that can supercharge your learning speed. Remember, it's not just about how much you study, but how you study. Each of these methods taps into different aspects of cognitive function, helping you learn faster, remember more, and enjoy the process of learning. So why not give them a try? See how they can transform your learning experience and take you to new intellectual heights.